Basically, friends, software testing is important because it saves money to the company. For example, I'm going to tell you an example. If X company is there, they have developed X software, and the developers have only developed the software, and the developers have tested, and they have delivered to the client. But while using in client location, number of bugs have arisen. Now, after delivering to the product customer, if number of bugs arise, means a company will have a bad name, and money is also wasted for testers. So for in the and number money is also wasted for the company, because in spite of developing and testing number of times by development lead and developing team, and when we user is using the software, he is having some limitations and bugs. So in order to minimize the money problem, a separate testing team is also very important, and a testing team will test all the use cases and all the information, so that at the end of the user will be getting so many benefits. And security is mainly important. Security in the sense user security, client security. After filling of these security, after filling of the user details, it should not be publicized to the any other third party friends. So that security is also very important. And product quality. In spite of developing by the development lead and team, and and testing so many times, it will be having bugs. In order to minimize bugs, and in order to deliver a quality product, testing team need to also be tested, and it will need to be tested once, and it will be delivered to the company, to the user. Customer satisfaction. Now in any market, when you buy a product, customer satisfaction is important factor in order to return the customer to our next time. If you are not satisfying the customer, then means your product is not up to the market. So in order to verify all the user requirements compulsory before going to the client, we have to make all the bugs minimized. This is the importance of testing. Is everybody understanding? Am I going very fast? Please comment in chat box. Okay, we will continue further. Actually, why software testing is important? Actually, now we will be a development lead, development manager, BA in our company, and all the persons, because all BA manager and project lead and separate software testing department is necessary in a company. Software testing company is necessary because in order to reduce bugs after delivery of the product to the user, a software testing team need to be compulsory for the product, for the company. And software testing is used to find out errors which are made during the development phases. To make error is very human. So testing development in a company, number of projects will be there, 1 or 2 or 3. In the software development people will be developing at a time 2 or 3 projects. In that process, they will be handling some errors. In order to minimize these errors, there will be there's a separate team called testing team. That's why software testing it has main important in today's era. And testing is necessary to deliver quality product or software application with accurate and consistent and reliable results. Basically, actually, before basically here, basically your owner and the development team, owner and business analyst will have a meeting, and the owner will be telling his requirements, how the software should be, and the BA will be writing the points to explain his development team, so that once the owner and the business lead comes to an understanding, they'll freeze all the requirements, and these are supplied to the development team and testing team. When testing team, development team, while development team before developing the software, it will need to be understand the owner's requirements first. Then it will be easy to develop the software. So once owner's requirements and the understands, so software development team will be easy to develop the software, and it will pass to the to in order to reduce mistakes. And after testing, developing team always, or after testing by the development team also, the testing team need to be tested and to requires. Basically, friends, if you are not able, we are not able to give the delivery product to the customer after it will go live, and when customers of that product will complain to that owner, then owner will be getting a big loss, because he loses his business due to the bugs in the software. So in order to reduce minimizing the bugs, we need the testing team should be having to test it to test it to test it to test very fine before giving to the user, before giving to the customer. And testing is required of an effective performance of a top software testing. Friends, if we are, for example, if you are using a Redbus application, if you at a time, if 100 users are using the Redbus application, it should not give any defect. If it is giving defect, it's performance issue will be coming. So in order to reduce that, the software testing will be done. Now let's see what is software testing. Software testing is the process of identifying the bugs in a software is known as a testing. Actually, the main purpose of testing is that to minimize bugs in the testing. And it identify the bugs. We need to identify, and these bugs need to be reported to the development team, so that they will be coming and in the testing. And friends, software testing is a process is to evaluate the functionality of the software application with an intent to find whether the developed software is as per the specified requirements or not, and to identify the defects to ensure the product is defect free in order to produce quality product. Here, for example, if you take redbus.com, what is the main purpose of redbus.com is to book tickets from one place to the other place. For example, if you are booking today's flight here to Bangalore, and if it is not properly working, so it has some defects. See, if the testing person identify the defects, and it should be given to the development team, so that they rectify the products, and they will give again modified build to the testing team. Software testing definition according to ANSI standard is, it is a process of analyzing software item to detect the differences between existing and the required conditions, and to evaluate the features of the software item. Friends, as I already told you, a BA will go to owner and he will write requirements and they will be discussed to the development team and testing team. If the requirements freezed by the owner and the BA team and the software which we are developing is the same, then it is a quality product. If there is any slightly deviation and major bugs, and then it is a defect product. In order to reduce defect, when it is passed to the owner, and software testing should be done very perfectly. And software testing, in order to software testing is perfectly. Now let's see what are the types of testing. So friends, testings are mainly of two types: functional testing and non-functional testing. Functional testing functional testing is mainly necessary for the functional part of requirements of the software part. And non-functional testing is non-functional testing is mainly done by the performance team for the checking of performance. For example, if an application is using by, if for example, if you are using SBI application for online internet banking, if it is simultaneously used by the 100 or 200 users, it should not be done any bugs. Was the first person is using the same functionality should be used by the 100%. But if the first person is logging and logging, it is if first person using the internet banking, and if 100% is also using banking, but 100% is getting any defect, means it is not a defect-free product. So in order to test these scenarios, we need to test performance part of it. So performance test, non-functional testing means performance testing. Friends, basically functional testing types is manual testing. Manual testing means testing a software in a manual way. For example, if you are using a Redbus application, the Redbus application is a Redbus. If you are totally testing the Redbus application using manual testing methods means and techniques means it is called manual testing. Friends, automation testing. Automation testing actually, in automation testing, if you, for example, in manual testing, if you are testing 100 scenarios and 100 scenarios manually, in automation testing, you can test only 50 to 60% of you using automation testing. You can use test by automation. You cannot test 100% manual test cases in automation testing because because automation testing is only used in critical areas, not full testing. For example, automation testing skills is Selenium, APM, Cucumber, Selenium is a free resource software. Quick QTP and UFT is having a subscription software. Friends, now coming to non-functional testing. Friends, here non-functional testing plays also a very important role. As I rightly said just now before, performance testing, load testing, stress testing, soak testing are examples. When 100% are using SBI app or app, if first person and 100% are both are using very friendly without any defect free, means it is called performance testing. After test, these testing also very important. We have every tester. If you are learning all these testing, performance testing, load testing, and stress testing, and soak testing is also very good. Friends, this is the end of the topic. Tomorrow, from Monday onwards, I will be taking